When your air conditioning breaks down in the summertime, it's seriously bad news. When the temperature rises, production slides. Your staff become uncomfortable, hot, sweaty, and lethargic. It kind of feels like working in a swamp. If you run a store, restaurant, or other place of business, you can bet your customers will be ready to leave as soon as possible. You could have a small problem now, but wait too long and it could turn into a bigger, more expensive problem down the road. At Kool, we're here to help. We can troubleshoot and repair any issue you have with your air conditioning or refrigeration. If you need to install a new system, we can do that too, as well as providing maintenance contracts to keep your system in good working order. With 44 years in the business and 20 technicians working in the field, we have the experience and manpower to do the job. We are not a one-man band working out of his back bedroom. With manufacturer-sourced parts and new systems with up to 7-year warranties, that's real peace of mind. We've worked with thousands of satisfied customers in Manchester and neighboring areas, from big facilities like NHS hospitals and supermarkets down to smaller independent doctors and dentists. Our client list includes Specsavers, Holiday Inn Express, Best Western Hotels, Domino's, Dunlop, Bury Grammar School, Bury Council, Wing Yip Chinese Supermarkets. Martin Flynn says, "We have been using the services of Kool for over 20 years now, and they are just at the end of a phone call. Easy to contact, easy to discuss problems with, and quick to react to breakdowns, which is just what my customers require. Prices are always fair and honest." At St. John's Primary School, they said, "Fantastic customer service, speedy replies to all emails. Staff were prepared to go the extra mile, going out of their way to help. Extremely happy with Kool. If you're experiencing any issues with your air conditioning, don't hesitate to email us at sales@koolit.co.uk or call us now at 0161 877 4030 for a free survey and quotation.